About problems digesting food. It seems my body isn't breaking down my food. Well, your pancreas is busted. That's what it means. Abu, this is for you, Abu. It means your pancreas is not working properly. You need to be on a change of diet. You need to go on very simple to digest foods, which are the fruits. And then you need to take a pancreas herbs and herbs for the pancreas and maybe a pancreas glandula. I don't know how bad it is. You have to see. You have to get an iridology reading, okay, to see how weak the glands are. But that's what I would do. And you also want to fix your adrenals because that deals with sugar metabolism. You also want to fix the bowels. You might have interstitial lymphatic congestion in the bowels. Your bowels are not working properly as well. So remember the tract is the GI tract. It starts from your mouth all the way down to your anus. Everything is interconnected. So when you're trying to fix a situation, it's not like you're going to treat the pancreas. You have to fix the whole body with emphasis on the pancreas, on the adrenals, the liver, because the liver and gallbladder help with digestion as well. All these need to be fixed, okay? But the diet is important, and the herbs, and you give it time, and you see things improve. But bloated, make sure you super chew your food, okay? Like put it in your mouth and chew 30 times. To 45 times before you swallow it, because you're putting enzymes helping with the digestion. When it gets to the stomach, it's easier for it to be digested. So it's super chew. Even if you have juice, chew your juice and then drink it. That will help you immediately. But if you have, it's definitely a pancreas issue. So fix it.